don't sneer. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
There's a little bit.
Hi.
See, it doesn't matter how big it is. Enough of this crap.
Doo-doo.
Let's get the log. You can
Boo 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 boo.
big ball for this. Well, you ain't listening. Someone doesn't pay attention.
Woo.
Not greenhorn anymore.
Woo.
Says me.
Boop.
Finally. Can we get the log in there?
Little giggles.
Boo 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 boo.
While Dave takes a break, the rest of the crew moves into the biggest wood of the site.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, sir.
Boo 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 boo.
Pulling really hard and the tree's not bending or getting anything.
She's just too cute. Oh, it's a camera. It's Papa.
Right there.
Boo boo boo.
Hi.
The logs
Boo
are
boo boo.
hard on both the
Why you got a bubble and foam like that? Let's get a close up on the foam. That is Emma's foam. She's a bubble blower. And now it's a normal baby again. Say hi.
Hi.
I got no foam. Your mom is getting the emails or the texts like crazy. You can hear the droid in the background.
Emma.
Now, get the quick cutting, hard living, bear dodging excitement of Axemen with the help of Verizon 4G.
When there's bubbles, bubbles means bedtime, doesn't it?
Quality Axemen claims.
Bobo.
Yeah, she's tired.
Drag out, get the job done.